Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. So I just received a very generous PR package from Dedesignature. She sent me the entire new collection that was just dropped. I believe it was last week. Now, in this box, there's quite a few items, but the main thing, what we're going to be creating two looks with today, is her Sweet Aesthetics palette. And this is going to be, you can even see it's still in the box. I haven't taken pictures or anything with it yet, but this is going to be an all matte palette. And I want to say this is going to be a 12 pan palette. Let's unbox it and let's see exactly what we're getting. So same type of artwork that was on the box, you get that on the palette as well. And yes, I was right. This is a 12 pan palette, a rainbow palette, all matte shadows. Those look really fun. I like that there's an inclusion of gray in there. Really cool. Obviously, I'm wearing a green dress today for work, so we'll have to do something that complements my green dress. So also in this order are a whole bunch of eyeshadow primers, and they're all different colors. We have orange, blue, black. Here's a yellow one over here. There's a brown one right here. There's a pink one over here. So there's just a little bit of everything. I think the one I'm going to use today is going to be this one, which is DS Latte. So I'll apply that in a minute. And then she also sent over this rainbow pressed pigment. This has to be kind of like a duo multi-chrome. It's just a single shadow, kind of similar to what we've seen from Adept Cosmetics. And here's what that shadow looks like. So you can see all the different sparkles. This will be great for pairing, obviously, with that palette since there are no shimmer shadows in there. And then she also included, oh, another eyeshadow primer. So these are eyeshadow. Yeah, they're all eyeshadow primers. This has to be a clear one, though. Let's see. Let's open this one up. Oh, okay. This is the white one. Cool. I'm always in need of a good white eyeshadow primer. Maybe I should use this one today instead of the more flesh tone one. We'll see. But I'll be creating two looks with this palette. Very excited. I had a really good first experience with the cappuccino palette that was in the ice cream beauty box for May. So when Dedesignature reached out and wanted to send me a cute little PR package, I was like, bring it on. I am willing to try more from this brand. And so I'm looking forward to the outcome of today's video. If it is your first time here on my channel, let me just say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff. I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, get ready with me style of videos. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're already a fan of Dedesignature, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, be sure to check the description box for links and codes and everything to what I'm wearing and talking about in today's video. And if you do end up shopping through my link or through using my code, I do thank you so much for helping me support this channel. Let's get started, guys, with look number one from the Sweet Aesthetics palette from Dedesignature. If you guys want to see how everything is going to turn out, keep on watching. So I'm going in with the more flesh toned eyeshadow primer. And this is going to be, I'm going to do I am going to do two looks, but I'm going to do this first look as a full look. And probably the second look will also be a full look. It's just because I'm running low on time this morning. So I need to do a full look. All right, so let's dive into this palette. Like I mentioned, I am wearing green today, so green pretty much goes with everything, but I actually think I want to focus maybe on this green shadow starting here, maybe even dipping into the gray a little bit. And then, of course, using this shade and maybe doing like a purple on the lower lash line. So I'm going to start here with Lily of the Valley. And I'm using my Game Beauty E01 to start applying this in the inner portion. And I'm also going to bring it up towards the brow bone. All right, I think we have some very nice pigmentation on here. I think that looks really, really good. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the shade right here called Lily. And I'm taking Lily on a Sigma E49. And I'm going to place that in the crease as well as the outer corner. All right, I like that. We're getting a really good blend. Now I want to go in with the deeper green right here. This one is called Eucalyptus. And I'm using my Game Beauty E07 to apply. Just really want to focus this shade right out here, even bring it on the lid a little bit. Okay, I think we have a really nice blend going on. Now I'm going to dip into this shadow here and I'm going to try and use the yellow and of course the green that's in the center. And I'm using a damp Morphe M124 and I'm just applying the green to the center of the lid and I'll do the other shade for the inner corner. That is very, very pretty. Now I'm going in with the yellow shade right in here. Same brush, I just flipped it over. Don't know that I'm seeing. There we go. There we go, that looks pretty. Right now I'm just touching up the dark green just to make sure everything is blended. All right, let's do something for the lower lash line. I think I'm going to go in with this dark purple here. This one is called Larkspur. I'm using a Rephr 13 Mini. I'm going to leave this inner portion free so that way we can try another shimmer in that little pan. Now I think I'm going to go in with the pink shade right here for that lower lash line inner corner. This is a Rephr 03 and I am going to spray it. Okay, guys, so here is the look. Let me go add some finishing touches, a liner, maybe lashes, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number one. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number one. I really love the way this look turned out. I'm using the Velour Effortless lashes today. They're very soft, not dramatic at all, and this is the style Understated. And I think that perfectly describes them. I'm also using Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm using an Essence eyeliner for the top lash line, and for the lower waterline, I'm wearing a NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Pink Spirit. I think this look looks beautiful. I love it. I feel good in this makeup. So now I'm gonna head off to work, and I'm probably gonna be creating the second look mañana, but for you guys in a few seconds. All right, so here we are, day two of me trying out this Sweet Aesthetics eyeshadow palette. And yes, I am a blonde, so you got to see both hair colors in today's video, a little reddish golden brown and now a little more cool tone neutral brown. I am so excited. I'm also going to be getting extensions really soon, so I'm even more excited. So yeah, lots of goodies, lots of good things happening, but let's finish our journey with this palette. I'm wearing a long black dress to work today, so I'm pretty much able to do anything, but let's see if I can do something. I want to try and do an all matte look. Okay, so I think I'm going to start here with Penny, and then I'm going to work my way down to this one called Bluebell. Yeah, to Bluebell, and then possibly Violet, or I don't know, but for sure these two shades right now. And I'm taking the shade Penny on a Game Beauty E01, and that's going to be for the inner corner, and of course I'm going to bring it up towards the brow bone. Now I'm taking the shade Bluebell on a Rephr 14. And I just want to focus that out here, kind of define the shape a bit better. Oh, that's looking cute. Those shades together. All right, next I'm going to dip into, I think I'm going to dip into the really blue shade, the darker blue called Blue Daisy. And I'm going to keep working with that same Rephr 14, and I'm going to place this primarily in the crease and also the outer corner, but not too far out. You'll notice I'm bringing it in a little bit more. I do want to have that definition in the crease. And then we'll bring back some of the pink. Going back in with Penny. Now I almost feel like something's missing, especially like right in here. Obviously I would do a shimmer there, but I wanted to try and keep this as an all matte look. I wonder if I go in with Rose. Let me see what that's gonna do. Using Rose on a BK 209. Yeah, I think that looks a lot better. Very good. All right, now for the lower lash line, I think, we have a lot of possibilities. I know I did eucalyptus yesterday. I was kind of leaning towards a larkspur, but I know I did that one yesterday. I guess I'll kind of keep it monochromatic and stuff. So I'll go back in with Blue Daisy. I'm using my BH Cosmetics pencil brush to apply. Now I'm dipping into the yellow shade called Sunflower, and that's going to be our inner corner highlight. I really wish there was a matte white, but oh well. This yellow is popping in the inner corner. Let me go ahead and take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 2. No shimmer, just an all matte look, and I really love the way it turned out. A lot of the same stuff from yesterday, with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this one from KVD. This is their Roxy Purple Gel Liner, and I love it. It's so good. It lasts really well in the waterline. I also put it a little bit on the lower lash line, but look at that yellow inner corner. Ooh, I had so much fun with this Sweet Aesthetics palette from Dedesignature. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video, and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. All right, guys, so this was like my first real time really trying out Dedesignature. I mean, there's just so much amazing things in this brand, but I'm so glad that they were able to send me a PR box with their latest launch, the Sweet Aesthetics palette. This is going to be an all matte rainbow palette, and I thought that the shades performed really well. I thought that they all blended really nicely together. It's a pigmented palette, but it's not that overly pigmented to where you can't blend, and it doesn't make it not user-friendly. It is a user-friendly palette. So if you're looking for something like this, I love that it's a thin packaging here. Sweet Aesthetics might be on your list. The little rainbow shimmer shadow here, this was really nice. I just used the individual shades you saw in look 1 to create the look. I didn't want to use any today, but this is an option if you want to pick this up, as are all of their multicolor eyeshadow primers. I just mainly used the neutral one, the more flesh tone one. There was also a white one, which I really love, which here it is right there. And then you get a blue one over here. There's orange, brown, black, you name it. They thought of everything with this collection. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I had a great experience. I didn't have any issues. The look I wore yesterday lasted all day long. I got tons of compliments on that look yesterday. So hopefully I'll get tons of compliments on this look today. But let me know your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts on Dedesignature. Have you tried anything from them? Did you pick this collection up already? I believe it is in stock as we speak. Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.